This video is going to cover practice test 1, numbers 20 and 21. So for number 20, the first part, we have a hexagon with one unknown interior angle. So we have to understand how to find the sum of the interior angles. And remember, that formula is n minus 2 times 180. So 6 minus 2 times 180. Let's figure that out. 4 times 180. 720. So I take my 720 and I subtract off the angles that I'm given until I get to the last one. So 720 minus 140 minus 130 minus 100 minus 120 minus another 120. And that gives me 110. So x is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, that's the first part of number 20. Now the second part of number 20 is dealing with exterior angles. Exterior angles of any polygon measure 360. But we have to understand exactly what exterior angles mean. So if I have this side and I extend it this way, that would be an exterior angle. This is as well, because I'm extending it. Now they're all going to be on the same side of the extension. If I'm going clockwise, I have the extension and then the angle there. And then the extension and then the angle. The extension and then the angle, and so on. If I was going counterclockwise, my extension would come from here and there would be my angle. My extension would come from here and the angle there, and so on. Alright, so all of these add up to be 360. So I'm looking for this unknown one right here. So I start out with 360, and I take off 42, subtract 93, subtract 92, subtract 78, and I get 55. So x is equal to 55 degrees. Ta-da! Now, number 21 deals with the median of a trapezoid. So here we have a trapezoid, and the median equation is b1 plus b2 divided by 2. So here we have our figure, and all of these distances are 2. So the distance from 8 to B is 4, and the distance from B to 13 is 4. So that tells me that B is the median between 8 and 13. So I will say 8 plus 13 divided by 2 is equal to 21 divided by 2, which is going to be 10.5. So now B is 10.5. Now to find A is the same distance from 8 as it is from B, or 10.5. So that makes A the median between those. So that means I say 8 plus 10.5 divided by 2. So that's going to be 18.5 divided by 2. So that's going to be 18 divided by 2 is 9.25. So A is 9.25. Now, C is halfway between B and 13, so that is the median between those. So I'll write it up here where I got a little bit more room. So 10.5 plus 13 divided by 2 gives me 23.5 divided by 2, and I'll just do that. Gives me 11.75. So this is the median of a trapezoid. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2.